Oh shit! Did you get that? Wagwan squad, you know, says your boy James, top lodger out here. We're there with Uncle and other James.
Wagwan.
So today we have a special thing for you. You can't really see me, so I'm not going to spend too long talking to you right now. But me and James have been planning something really cool for you guys. So just stay tuned and check it out. Uncle, what are you saying?
Yeah.
James, what are you saying?
About to show off the glove.
So James was spun a little present. So alright, so James got me this nice
Let's see.
Yeah guys, yo.
The gift I got for James for Christmas.
Yo, big up, you know, bro. Respect.
It works a lot better for you, bro. I barely have any hair to brush.
This is why I want to come to Florida.
James, hold it.
Yeah.
So you live here now or still live in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Live in Jamaica.
You on vacation? Okay, cool. So what part of Jamaica?
What is like the
Kingston?
Alright guys. So we're up here on this custom built rig. Just driving around.
vlogging?
James there with the big camera, me there with the poor GoPro. So happens when you're a pro at the game.
Expert vlogger.
So guys, there.
We're on a nice raised platform. Have a good view.
Match it and get you, you're on your own.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Bam.
Doug. All you have to do is decide who wants to go first.
You wanna go first?
Sure. I love to shoot.
Whoa.
Come on down, buddy.
Go.
When you want to hunt hog or anything in Florida, you call Chappies.
That's awesome.
Yeah, bro. Chappies is where you want to go if you want to get something good, guys.
That's a big one there.
Bro, within 10 minutes we have this.
That's a male, right?
Yeah,
Big male.
so the males have a
See
big
the teeth
tusk.
on him?
Yeah.
So the female doesn't have tusk,
Not like, no.
Not generally, no.
but the female tastes better, right?
Yeah.
They gonna go on. I wanna get a female here. I wanna get some nice tasting meat.
Yo, see them? Lord James. We just had some.
Seems like we had one.
You tell us when to come though.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
Look, watch behind you.
Stand it out.
There's that three went that way. She was going that way. She was going through a street. She was chasing.
You can chase the one without seeing it.
But I said it was chasing all the way.
Alright, guys. Truce. Going through some real jungle, guys. I thought so too.
Hurry, better walk out and shoot him. He's still alive.
Hunting again, I can't lie.
Bro, I love
It's
it.
been a while. It's been a good while since I hunted.
So all those rounds that I sent were hollow points.
Yeah, and I only put 20 in the gun. I tested one through the silencer, it worked. So we had 19. I think I shot maybe 3 or 4.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't be surprised if there's 1 bullet left in the gun.
Alright guys, so
They're cool.
we went hunting today. We got 3 hogs and we used some cool ass guns. And we get back and we run through the guns with you. Like us,
Both of these are AKs.
Yeah, one's 9mm, one
So-
is 7.62.
like I told you guys, if you're in Florida and you're looking for a great fucking hunt, if you look fishing, Chappies. Check them out. You can find them on Google. Just look up Chappies Florida hunting. That's what I did. Road. Yo. This one, yeah.
You got some good old teeth on.
Yes. Look at this.
Wow.
This what I tell, like this fucking touch you and you're done, you know.
Sharp.
Yeah, and not only that, just the hugs are so powerful when you
Open his lip again. Oh, the blood.
Bro, look how big they are. Can I pull those out?
The blood in
Yeah,
there.
you can take this. You can take that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we do a lot of it. Just put it in your hand, palm up, and walk over that way.
The dog is filming 4K 60.
Just hold it
Just for you
sideways so
guys.
you don't hit your head.
Oh shit! Did you get that? Alright, squad. So we're there with the Kalashnikov, the AK. There with the AK. You see me? Where that Chappies, little range is right here. So yes, Papa. First shot on target, eh? Shit is nice. Can we shoot the cone?
Yeah, you can shoot it.
Oh.
Shoot that hill.
Rapid fire.
Pretty quiet too. Like quiet.
And I like that the suppressor high sights,
Yeah.
so you can actually see them over the suppressor.
You know what you're talking about. So you see
Yeah.
like a little bit over the suppressor, you can
Yeah.
aim.
It came with that, which is awesome.
Guys, look at this fucking gun. It has smoke more than Bradley. What the Ross?
I think you're out.
Hey guys, so this is the CZ75 PO1. This is a special
Omega.
edition. Omega.
Yeah.
You see that little sign there? Special edition. One of the best and most accurate guns you'll ever find.
And that's a Tyrant 45M suppressor.
You hear that? Man, them small.
Love that all metal.
These guys have another
Shoot.
yeah.
Nice. And just so you guys know, this is supersonic ammunition, so it could be quieter, but this is supersonic, so it's breaking the sound barrier.
Really?
Yeah, it breaks the sound barrier. So actually what you're hearing is the bullet traveling so fast that it breaks the sound barrier.
The sound bar is 1125.
Oh, now I
Per
see the
second.
target. It's at that angle. Alright, while he's going, let me bust some shots.
Yo,
So where's
you saw what
Yo,
I
get
hit?
this, get
I
this.
hit a fucking few of them for this. Yo, this guys.
You ready?
Hold on.
Get some rapid fire.
Yeah, man.
That was quick.
Yeah. Hey, only at Chappies, guys. Remember, check out Chappies online. Get a hunting. This is a fucking great place. It's run by great, real. Oh, you have the thing. Guys, I love yeah. Today was another Ross day. We came out to Chappies out in Florida up north by Lake Okeechobee. Check them on Google. That's what I did. Yo, amazing. It was guaranteed a hug. We got the hugs. We got 3 hugs for 3 different people. So it was awesome. And meet the man, the myth, the legend, Brett. He's right here with me.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Big up.
It
Thank
was a
you.
pleasure hunting with these guys. If you wanted best experience of your life, come here to Chappies.
Guys, he's not lying. It's a Ross experience. Him and the crew, they're smart, they're knowledgeable, and they're safe. That's the most important thing to me. Safety is key. And they did not let anything happen to us. They made us get our trophy hogs. Like, yo, when I show you these tusks, you're going to be mind blown. So guys, check it out, Chappies. I'll be here again next year, maybe 1, 2 or 10 times. Don't tell Capri.
And
Walk-on squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.